Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellen Gormley. Today we're taking a slip knot of cotton yarn and we have an eye size hook and we're going to make this tie. And this tie for masks to help protect the ears of our medical staff, I think is a much better option than this one. So we're going to chain 100 or chain 90 depending on how much extra you want. But start with 100 and give it a try. You probably have a lot of cotton yarn in your stash. The cotton yarn is really good because it is durable. It can be machine washed and hot, so you can sanitize it. If you don't have a button for this style, you don't need a button for this style. This style is also completely customizable. So like the medical personnel staff can wear this and can tighten it up or loosen it up as needed. The thing about this tie is that once you get the correct number of stitches, you're going to give it a little bit of texture so that when you tie it on the back of your head, it stays tight. It gives it a little bit of texture, a little bit of grab. So this one is not customizable. It is this length. It's always going to be this length. And depending on the wearer, it may or may not fit comfortably. And you may or may not have buttons handy. And you may or may not be able to pull these buttons right off. So I think this is the much better option. So with the tie, after we get the desired number of chains, we're going to go in the second chain from the hook. We're going to insert the hook in the back ridge, back bump. Pull up a loop, pull through the loop on the hook, that's a slip stitch, and chain one. We're going to slip stitch in each stitch and chain one. Slip stitch in the next chain and chain one. And we'll do this the entire length of the tie until the very end. But let's remind you, a slip stitch is when you insert the hook. We're using the back ridge, back bump, pull up a loop through the fabric and through the loop on the hook and chain one. This gives it a little bit of a bumpy texture, which will allow the tie to stay tied. So subscribe to this channel, please. Give this a like and a thumbs up and go look at the next video that I have for you. If you're interested in more easy beginner projects and new crochet stitches, please give that a look-see. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and I hope you have enjoyed this quick tutorial. Take care. Bye.